Hello everyone, it's May the 14th. I'm Dr. Adam London, Director of the Kent County Health Department. Here for today's COVID-19 update. Across the state of Michigan, it's reported there are 48,391 diagnosed cases of COVID-19. That's an increase of 370 over the previous day. And statewide, there are 4,714 deaths, an increase of 40 over the previous day. Here in Kent County, as of this morning, it's reported to me there are 2,611 cases of COVID-19 in Kent County. That's an increase of 170 over the number we reported yesterday. Seems like a large number. It's larger than the numbers we've had in the past few days. We think that's because of the way the reports are being sent to us from the laboratories. We also did some large testing events in the past couple of days, so we think that's influenced our numbers for today. It's always difficult to tell based on one day's sample results what the trend is. So we look at it over 3 days, and our 3-day running average still remains somewhat flat, so we'll see what tomorrow looks like. Deaths here in Kent County, we're now up to 50 deaths. So sadly, we have seen 3 additional deaths since yesterday's report. So yesterday, I spoke to you about what you can do to protect yourself, and I gave you a top 10 list of the many things that you can do to make yourself as safe as possible going forward and making it as difficult as possible for that virus to reach you. Today I want to talk a little bit about employers and the place of employment and tools that employers can use to make their place of work as safe as possible for their employees and for their customers. And so I'm happy to announce that Kent County, working together with the City of Grand Rapids, with MSU University, with other leaders in the community, has created a toolbox of resources called the Kent County Back to Work Safely Plan. And you can find that toolbox of resources at kentcountybacktowork.com. Again, that's kentcountybacktowork.com. And you can see the front of that website over my shoulder. If you visit that site, what you'll find is guidance for employers. No one knows a place of work as well as the people who run that business, the owners, the managers of that place of business. We want to give you information and ideas that you can use in your place of business to make it as safe as possible. You know the flow of operations, you know your architecture, you know your employees, and so we're going to give you ideas on things that you can use to make that place of work as safe as possible. We also have on this website a survey tool, a Qualtrics survey tool that you can use to create employee health screenings. And employee health screenings are going to be very important going forward. This is asking your employees as they enter the place of work each day if they have a fever, if they have the symptoms of COVID-19, if they've had travel outside of the state of Michigan or elsewhere where there may be problems with COVID-19, and then taking the temperature of those employees. That data is de-identified, so there's no concerns about confidentiality, but that data is then shared with Michigan State University, who aggregates the data, gathers it by zip code and by place of employment, and shares that back with the health department. We can then look for hotspots around the county. We can also do what we can to identify small clusters of illness or individuals who are sick before it becomes a large outbreak of illness affecting an entire workplace or spilling over into the community. You'll also find on this website information about how you as an employer can obtain high quality, no-touch digital thermometers to help you with those employee health screenings. These thermometers are essential in reducing risk and getting that good, accurate reading of employees' temperatures as they enter the workplace. You'll also find contact information for us here at the Kent County Health Department. I've instructed my team to create an employee support team. And these are individuals, experts in public health, who can field questions and help you make your workplace as safe as possible. I hope you enjoy these tools. I hope you use them to their fullest. They're available for you now at kentcountybacktowork.com. I'm Dr. Adam London for the Kent County Health Department, encouraging you to stay positive, stay heroic, and stay healthy, and I'll talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.